Welcome back to my channel. Nowadays COVID is around us. Oh, winter changes, we are suffering cough and cold, we are afraid to take medicine, and we do not get benefits. So today I bring one more effective home remedy, which give you solutions of these problems. Don't worry from COVID, just take care yourself and your hygiene, water your mask when go outside, use sanitizer, and eat immunity boosting food. Benefits of this remedy is cure throat infection, get right older cough, make active and healthy, work as antibiotics, boost immunity. Half teaspoon cloves with flour. 1 teaspoon black pepper. Take black pepper double quantities of clove. 1-inch cinnamon stick. These 3 ingredients are put in a pan and turn on the stove and dry roast it for a while. Now transfer dry roasted cloves, black pepper, and cinnamon stick into grinder jar or pestle mortar. Grind it nicely into fine powder. Take 2 inches ginger. Make sure before use, wash it with clean water and peel off. Put the ginger into warm pan and little dry roast it. Take a grater and with the help of grater grate it. After grating, take a cheese cotton cloth or strainer and put the grated ginger on the cloth and extract the ginger juice by pressing it gently with finger paw. Add 1 teaspoon of honey into ginger extract. Mix it well. Add on pinch of salt. Salt help to cure throat infection. A pinch of turmeric. It work as antibiotics. For adults, take half teaspoon or 4 pinch of grinder mixer of black pepper, cloves and cinnamon that's shown into video. But for kids up to 6 months, take only 1 pinch, and other things ratio is also decreased to half. And mix it well until all the ingredients are incorporated nicely with each other. Take this homemade remedy for throat pain, infection, and cough early in the morning or night before sleeping. Don't eat or drink anything after taking this for a half an hour. Below 6 months kids don't give or given after doctor's consultation. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe Remedies Plus, and hit the bell icon for new information video.